Hi everyone, it's me Leigh with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and I am back with an unboxing of Anna Griffin, and it is Anna Griffin's birthday card making box. It's the mega box. So yeah, it's me. Let's watch. So I've opened the box but then I haven't gotten into it yet. So let's start. It's a pretty big box. A lot of tissue just covering the box. And you know, I get all this card making stuff, but card making is not my most favorite project to make. I do like making cards, and I make them and I gift them to about 20 people or more. But I'm considering starting selling cards actually. But I love this box. It is a Tiffany color. That's fancy. And yeah, it's mega box. See, it's really big. So let's pull this off. And so she has it on a elastic right there to fit around. So you can get it on and off and reuse it. So okay, let's see what we're going to get into here. Let me see which way would be best for y'all to see it. Okay. You know that I always try to get this out of the way because it gets in the way. So the birthday stuff really went over real well, and I had showed you tags in a haul, and this has got so much in it. I don't remember how many she says it makes. 40, I think. I don't know. I just don't remember. I watched it, but look at all the ideas. And I bought the embossing folders and different stuff to go with this. So I am so excited to work on this. But let's unbox it. So you get the pop dots, the raised pop dots. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to move this off to the side. And I have one of my Glue Gun Chronicles trays from the dollar store that I altered a few years ago, and see how I glued it, and it's got tag pockets. It's got 2 pockets. And let's use this to hold the different things, because since this is just an unboxing for just this, I'm going to open up each piece and let you see what it is. So these are 3-dimensional, and it says, on this special day, I'm not going to read them all, but cheers to you. And so look how many you get. Enjoy your birthday with all the best wishes, and see how they're 3-dimensional. So you get quite a bit. So yeah, so there's a lot to see here. So let's go ahead and move this out of the way, and I can rebag it in my bag that came with it in just a second, and I'll show you what's next. So I see a lot of pretty colors, a lot of pastels. We get all these ribbons. And I want to show you the green and the gold, which you can use this year-round, these colors. But wow, I don't know how many there's in a bag. I wish I remembered how many. I think it might be 40 to 45 cards. Oh my gosh, if I'm wrong, I just don't know. Anyway, but those are pretty. Those are very pretty, aren't they? It's a pretty color. I'm going to do a tutorial with the dies that came with this and this kit. I'll do a tutorial. There's just so much here, and if you want to sell cards or make them for family members or gift them, I gift them as Christmas presents so that the people have a gift that they use throughout the whole year. So let's just look. These are three-dimensional roses and flowers, and really pretty. Just so many different patterns. If I was prepared, I could have had this laid out for you, but I didn't. Just trying to show you and a little example of some. See how pretty that is, and when you see that, you know it's Anna Griffin. You can tell her work. It's just beautiful. It's three-dimensional. So let's put this right here, and I'll repackage that in a minute. Man, those are pretty. The good thing about these, and look, here's the roses. The good thing about, can you see how it's three-dimensional? The good thing about these boxes and kits, she gives you so much extra that she wants to put like 6 or 7 pieces on each card, and I don't. So you get so much extra. Okay, so here's the birthday part of it coming into play. So let's open that. So this is a wine bottle with roses on it, and see how that roses match, and it coordinates. And then you have hats, and then you have gifts, and I've showed these before, but now it's a whole kit that all coordinates and matches. Look at that cake. And then the balloons are just so cute. Wow, I thought that was 2 balloons. It's one big one. I mean, it's 2, but one big sticker. Look at that. Could be almost a wedding cake. Let's see, and there's a bucket. See why I'm meaning you can use these for when you're doing a scrapbook in someone's wedding or someone's retirement or birthday. This can be used for scrapbooking too. It's not all about cards. Isn't that a pretty color? Those colors together. Okay, so there's just so much. Oh, that one's different. That one's easy to make. So all these different size gifts and cupcakes on a tray. Okay, so let me put this one on there, on that bag, so I can rebag it to keep it organized. But now that you're looking at it, let me show you this again. See the examples? You can't see it because it's flat, but it is a lot of examples and three-dimensional. So yeah. Okay, let's get into the next little bag. There's so much in here. She also has a Christmas box like this, and I will be unboxing that after this one. So these are already die cutted out. Oh, look at that. Oh, a little starburst type thing. And these are just embellishments to add to it. I'm loving that Tiffany blue. There's 2 of each kind, and it's gold foiled. And then there's quite a few of the stars. Quite a few of those. I want to peel them apart. It's just a very, very nice kit. And you'll go to it. It'll take you a couple of years to use it all up if you want to. Or you could sit there and just use it all up and sell them and gift them out. Okay, next bag. So these are pre-made card toppers. All you have to do is put the pop dots on the back to raise it and just stick it on a card. Say if this is your card, you just stick it on that card and raise it, and you could be done. Maybe add a bow. But with this, you can also layer it and make it three-dimensional too. So there's the happy birthday there. This is all about birthday. And this is, see how all she does is fold over that little bit, and it sure does pop it and bring out more. So that's an idea for you with just a little bit of ribbon. Bless you, honey. Isn't that pretty? See, pink. But if you wanted to only use this and not use the others for three-dimensional, that's when you get more and more to make more cards. But if you're making one for a special friend or family member, you may want to go all out and add all kind of stuff to it. It's really nice. Almost done with this, and then we'll show what else. Really pretty. The colors are just really popping. Okay, so now let's get the next item in our box. And so this card also goes, wow, it must, I don't know, that's a lot of cards. So it's the cards, and no, these are all the cards. If I could count them, I'll count them and leave a comment in the comment section. So this is the card. Okay, and you can sign. All of them have it where you sign. So this is the card. This piece right here is to go on top. And then you take this and go on top. But you don't have to. You could use it just like that. Excuse me, you could use it just like that, and you have so much supplies. So let's go over these real fast. She has all the coordinating work done for you. This reminds me, my niece got married, and I need to send her a wedding gift and make her a card. I'm sure I can find something. So here are the cards. And so here is for pink. And then you have for gold. And then you have 4 more of the light pink. Then you have 4 white. And it's a cream color. That's 20. And then you have that. Then you have the green, 4. Then you have 4 of it's like a lacy look. 4, 8, 12, 16. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So this is going to be 40. So there's 40 cards. So it makes 44 and 48. So this kit is a 48 card kit. Wow. That will last a long, long time. Okay, and next we have 48, and this is heavy duty. This is why I like it. It's 48 foil gold. So, and I never use not even half, so I'm getting a pretty good stock of this that I can go and grab it and use it on other stuff. And then we have the envelopes. So guys, if you don't know who Anna Griffin is, or if you're not sure if her products are worth it, trust me, it is. All my links are down below. Yes, this is the home of Glue Gun Chronicles, and I would make stuff and glue it, and so and I think we could hang this on the wall, we could put it up on the shelf, but yeah. So anyway, all my links are down below. I would love for you to follow me and join Glue Gun Chronicles. And if you're in Texas, I have a group called Lone Star Crafters. So come find me. Thanks for watching. Bye.